We about to make seafood macaroni and cheese. Boil your noodles. Throw a half a stick of margarine in there. Mix it around until it's completely melted, okay? Once it's melted, we're going to season that bad boy with salt and pepper to your liking, okay? Salt and pepper to your liking. And then I love the ragu double cheddar cheese. Pour that in there, mix that around real good. Once you mix that around and get it nice and incorporated, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start seasoning up the shrimp and adding cheese. So what we have is your shredded cheese. We have blocks of Colby Jack cheese chopped up. You're going to mix that all the way around. And then that's also like a 4-cheese steak cheddar mix. And then we're going to get our evaporated milk. Pour half of that inside the jar. Half of it, okay? Because the other half you're going to reserve for later. All right, so once you pour half of that in there, you're going to pour the other half inside the mixed macaroni and cheese. At this point, you probably want to salt and pepper a little bit more and then mix that around really, really, really good, okay? Crack an egg into that milk mixture. Cover it. And shake, 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 shake your booty. Hey! Alright, so after you shake that up really good, you're going to go ahead, again, drop a little bit more pepper. I love pepper. And pour that mixture into your macaroni and cheese, because what you want is a nice, incorporated, cheesy mac and cheese. Alright, so then we're going to add a bag of shredded cheddar, and we're going to dump our seasoned shrimp on there. And that seasoned shrimp has some sea bangs seasoning on there. All right, so you guys need to buy that. All right, so then we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of parsley, get your little greenery on top, and we're gonna bake at 350 for 40 minutes. Once we bake at 350 for 40 minutes, this is what it looks like. Yummy, cheesy, and gooey. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe. I love y'all.